All right, guys, on this video, I am going to show you guys a neat little calculator trick. So many of our problems deal with having to find slope, having to find y-intercept. And honestly, we're good at doing that with graphs and even equations, but tables are still our weakness. Well, what I'm going to show you is that the calculator will actually do that for you. But you got to know how to use your calculator. So here we go. To begin with, anytime you want to find slope and y-intercept of points, which is all a table is a bunch of points, 6, 13, 10, 15, 14, 17, so on. This is all about the data button, okay? To do this, you're going to start by just clicking data. Now, as you can see, it pulls up columns. It actually pulls up 3 columns, but we only need 2. This is your X and your Y column. Just like normal, if our columns are vertical, left is X, right is Y. And what we're going to do is we're going to type in all of this information. Well, if you notice, my table is left and right, but my calculator is vertical. Be careful. If this is my X column, you got to make sure you understand I have to put all of these X values in that column. To do that, you just start typing away. You hit 6, and you can see it shows up right there. Hit enter, and it puts it in the table. But I'm still in the X column, so I keep doing my X's. 10, enter. 14, enter. 18, enter. 22, enter. Now I've put in all of my X values. Now I need to put in my Y values. Well, how do you think I get over there to the Y column? Right here. Hit the right. Now I'm back up at the top. Notice that I'm back up here with my 6. You do have to be careful to make sure that you're putting the points that go together like they go together. So now I put in 13, enter. And there you can see that coordinate 6, 13. Then 10, 15 goes with it. And then 17, 19, 21. And I can scroll up and double check and make sure that all my points are there. But now I've got the table put in. Once we do that, now we're ready to get the equation. And again, it's all about this data button. However, we've already used the data button. What else is there? The second. We need that stat. So you're going to hit second, data again, but now it takes me to this screen. Okay, the VAR stands for variable. So you have to remember, we're wanting a y equals mx plus b. All of our graphs and things have 2 variables, our x and our y. So that's what I'm gonna put. I'm gonna come down here and hit enter on 2 variable. When you do that, you see x data is L1, which is what we said. Y data is L2, which is what we said. That's what we wanted. So now what I need it to do is calculate. So go down, down. Once that's blinking, once that's highlighted, hit enter. And when you do that, you actually get a whole lot of weird random stuff that means absolutely nothing to us. It's done its work. Now we just got to find our answer. And you're actually going to scroll down a while. So we've got 1, 2, 3, and it numbers up. Keep going down till you get to D and E. We keep scrolling. Now we're in our letters A, B, C, D, and E. There it is. These 2 pieces of information. Now, you know how we have M and B? This is the only difference here. They say M is A. So your A, that's your slope. Your B, there's your y-intercept right there. This now, 0.5 is really 1/2, but this is your equation. Y equals 1/2 x plus 10. It did it for you. You don't have to do any of the work. So data, second data, scroll down till you get your A and B. Let's look at one other problem really quickly. Find the slope and y-intercept. This time I don't give you a table. I just got 2 points, but I'm wanting that equation, that y equals mx plus b. Well, first of all, I've got all this data already in here. We need to clear that. What is the quickest, easiest way to clear your calculator? Hit clear and on at the same time. Memory cleared, so we're good. Okay, but regardless of whether I have a table or whether I have 2 points, if I need the equation between points, whatever form it looks like, go to your stat button, or your data button, excuse me. Hit data. Now, is this a table? No, but isn't this x, y, x, y? Yes. So I can go in and I can put my x values in the x column and my y values in the y column. So here we go. 1, enter. Then my other x, I got to jump over here to this one. 3, enter. Okay, I only have 2 points, so I go over here to my second column. And just make sure you get the point to match up. 10 goes with the 1, 10, enter. And then 20 goes with the 3, 20, enter. Once you have your x and y values put in, now we go to second data. We have 2 variables, so we go down to 2. I've got my L1 is x, L2 is y, so I go down, I need to calculate. Hit enter. And then do you remember where to go? Just scroll away till you get down here, and there it is. A, remember that's your M, that's your B. So y equals 5x plus 5. There's your slope, there's your y-intercept, and there you go. Calculator is a wonderful thing, but you got to know how to use it.